Hello everybody and welcome to Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here. So in the last probably month and a half to two, I've been working on pages for this journal and it's finished finally. I always feel like my journals aren't always completely finished because every time I turn a page I think, oh, I could have put a sticker there or a pocket there or a slip-in little card there. I'm terrible. So it seems like it's always a work in progress, but at some point I try to be done, and I feel like I'm at that point with this journal. So in this video I won't do a lot of talking, and I'm just going to do a flip through and show you what the inside looks like. And I hope that perhaps it sparks some page layout ideas for you. And please feel free to comment and let me know what you think and how you might have done something or some ideas that you've had. And please don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully we can spend more time together in videos like this and others. All right, so I'm going to probably just put on some music and do a flip through. There's no use me talking through the whole thing because I'll talk too much. that was a very quick flip through, you guys. But I wanted to show you, because it's so chunky. It's a nice chunky big one, and yet there aren't that many. There aren't signatures in this one. What I did was make each of the individual pages, and then because I have such a large gusset here, I was able to sew them individually in here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 it's 2. So it's, how do I explain that? I'm so terrible. So I've got this one is just one. It's just one little single page signature. And then same with this one. I think there might have been 1 or 2 where I did a double, or maybe I didn't. No, I didn't. But basically it was single page. I'm not even sure you could call them signatures anymore. And for those of you who have watched some of my previous videos, you might recognize some of the things that are in here that we've done in videos. So it's just another way to show you how I use some of the things that I make. There's some of the collage fodder that we made. This is a flip out tag that we made with some writing space at the back. So just another idea, you guys, of how you can use all the bits and pieces that we make in the videos. Well, I hope this was, you found some inspiration, and that you are, have some ideas that you can go and use in some of your own journals. Okay, you guys, we'll see you next time. Thank you for joining me. Bye.